This is a new ab sling from RIMSports. Using an ab sling while doing abdominal and oblique exercises is a great way to build strength in your core muscles. Heavy duty with a great design, these ab sling straps will take your core workouts to the next level. This ab sling features a unique eye-catching design, so forget just boring black. Be sure to check out our other dope colors. Unlike other ab slings, the RIMSports features a distinct removable neoprene strap that provides better cushion for your hands while working out. This ab sling is also compact and rollable, making it both easy to store and take on the go. Don't compromise your workout because of a slipping grip or weak straps. This RIMSports ab sling will keep you off the ground and in perfect form. The cotton-infused fabric won't scratch or irritate your forearms, and it will help absorb sweat. Get those rock-hard abs you've been wanting with the RIMSports ab sling.